Hello there. I hope all of you are fit and fine and making good use of this time. Today we are going to discuss about how to register for an online course. Friends, you are all aware of the time that we are in. It is really difficult for all of us. But in these difficult times, many renowned organizations have come forward to offer their customers something invaluable, something that will equip them in such time. Yes, your guess is correct. They have come up with different programs such as free online courses, webinars, etc. And today we are going to see one of this leading platform that has something to offer to its customer, and that organization is Google. Google, with its Google Digital Unlocked platform, offers a courses on digital marketing and many other such courses. And today we are going to discuss just that. So once you are on Google page, you have to type Google Digital Unlocked. You will find different search results on this page, of which you have to select first one, which is Learn Online Marketing. Okay, so here you will find information about this platform called as Google Digital Platform, Google Digital Unlocked. Now note that all the courses which will be displayed here does not offer certificates. Let me show you. These are the different online courses from Google, including Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, Get a Business Online, then Make Sure Customers Find You Online, Promote a Business with Online Advertising, and various such courses are offered by this Google Digital Unlocked. Total there are 125 courses. Now, just I said that all the courses does not have certificate. How to find courses with certificates? Here, if you can see properly, this includes certification, Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Here, this particular course includes certification. So, if you find this indication, which is includes certification, on these courses you will get certificates. Now you can also find certified courses by going to the filters. So once you select filters, you will find down here free certificate, paid certificate. So whichever you want, whichever you prefer, you can select that box and then you will find that particular course. So for our demonstration purpose, suppose you want to select Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. What you have to do here is press this soft key with an arrow, and then a course page of Fundamentals of Digital Marketing will open. So get certified in the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Now if you are interested in this course, here you can directly select Start Course, or you can just go through the information that they have given. Here there are total 26 modules in this course. Course duration is of 40 hours. It is for beginners. It is free of cost. Then here on right hand side you will find accreditations. It is IAB accredited. There are video tutorials, then unlimited access is there for this course, and recognized certification is there. And here importance of this certificate is also given. Now if you want to register for this course, you can simply select Start Course. Here you will find a login information. So with your email or with your Gmail, you can log into this program and get started with the course. I hope you got what you were looking for in this video. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. You can put your questions in the comment box. Well, that was all for today. See you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.